America, we are on the last day, and it is a sea day, and it's already off to a swimming start.
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberries.
Yes. Thank you.
Kristen got her parfait before we even got our coffee. The servers are just ready to go home. I think they've not been as friendly. Yeah, it's we're gonna hope this thing turns around because this has been some. Hold on.
If I could get it.
So I hope it turns around because good sis over there is not happy, and I'm just here for the ride because when she get to drive the car, honey, you better put on your seatbelt. So we're gonna see what goes down. Say this, I ain't never had to hunt nobody down for something to drink. Not even a cup of coffee. Usually they right on top of you with the coffee, the croissant. I ain't seen the croissant people. I ain't seen nothing, honey, nothing. These ladies are surly today.
Why you putting me so frustrated? I'm mad because they keep turning off the damn air at night. It's hot.
They better get it together. Boy, there's some snakes ready to. Okay, so this is my omelet. Side of bacon. Hash brown automatically comes with it. And my French toast. I did ask for a croissant, but it's probably not coming. And at this point, I'm just not going to argue with it. We're going to give them another chance at lunch and see what they do. So.
Of that song. Alright. If you just came, hi, my name is Lola. I'm all the way from South Africa, and I'll be your DJ. Alright, so everybody got a piece of paper and a pencil? Yes, alright. Let's start with tune number 1.
Early morning.
Alright, listening to tune number 2 once again. 3.
There's nothing you can do. Say, right. Comfort and keep us. Help me bring the feeling.
Go. Yolo and I got bingo tickets. Kristen got bingo tickets as well. But we were in line and somebody walked by and they were like, "Hey, I gotta buy one, get one free." So Yolo and I decided to split the tickets. So instead of having to buy 2 to get one free, we just bought 1 to get one free. So I don't know. Hopefully we have the same luck I had on Virgin, but I'm excited to play bingo again and hopefully I win a little bit of change. Let's go.
Yes. 065. Let's talk about dinero. Money. For the second round, para el segundo juego, the prize is $588. $588. $588. Spanish. 588. 588 with 26. 65 is the last number. 65 es el último número. Next number is 063.
Already? Wow.
63, 063. 063. They are getting close. Están acercando one number away. Next number is 074. o 74. G52. G52. G52 is the first number. G52. G52 is the first number. Next number is I-22. I-22. Y-22. I-22 is the last number. Next number is B10. B10 is the last number. Just to remind you, coming after this bingo session, we're gonna have the visual trivia.
Pay the prize.
$834, $834, $834 for the 3 1 0 1 6 3 is.
Bingo! Come on over here, y'all.
For $834. No. Oh! 10163 is not. Again.
The 12 is lighted. It's 10163, but the 12 is here. Let me count.
We didn't call 12.
We didn't do B12.
No, he didn't call 12.
He hasn't called 12. Oh, I have B12.
12, 53, or 67.
67.
Nope.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Girl, don't you know what I'm saying?
So
My damn
embarrassing.
phone. Come on.
Oh, wait. Nah, she missed like 3 numbers.
Next number is 50. She's still one.
No,
No,
she
she's
needs
not.
two.
She's 3, actually. That's the second BOGO bingo. Dang, that's crazy.
She hesitated though.
Yikes. He said he's just like my ex.
Next, number 64. O 64. O 64 is the last number.
Now, this was a real one. Somebody actually won it this time. After 3 fake, 3. No, there was 2 fake bingos. The third one was actually real. Bongo, sorry, bongo.
For the guys and keep those screens out of their eyes. That's all, folks. I gotta go, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Alright, so I'm here to watch Reese, and as you heard, there's no recording, so I might sneak a snippet, but if not, see you guys after the show, and I'll give you my review.
Ready for a travel experience that's truly elevated? Reach out to Siobhan at wanderkeep.com or just scan the QR code and let's start planning your next unforgettable journey, because your journey deserves to be elevated.
Hey, you, come hang with us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description below, and we're parkers on the go everywhere. Come on, let's go.